This is section 4.1 on exponential functions. Okay, so the assignment was 7 to 39 odd. Page 372. And that should do it. Okay. Problem number 7, f of x is 4 to the x. F of 1/2 is f is 4 to the 1/2. That means square root of 4. Raising something to the 1/2 power means square root. And square root of 4 is 2. F of square root of 5, 4 to the square root of 5. Punch it in your calculator, 22.195. F of negative 2, 4 to the negative 2, that's 1 over 4 squared. 1/16 to 3 decimal places is 0.063. F of 0.3, 4 to the 0.3, punch it in a calculator, about 1.516. Okay, 11, f of x equals 2 to the x. Here's a little table from negative 2 to 2. You plug in 0, 2 to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the negative 1 means 1 over 2, 1/2. 2 to the negative 2 means 1 over 2 squared, or 1/4. So here's 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. Negative 1, 1/2, negative 2, 1/4. So exponential functions tend to look something like that. Here's 1/3 to the x. If you plug in 0, you get 1. 1 gives me 1/3. 2 gives me 1/9. Negative 1, 1/3 to the negative 1 means you flip the fraction, gives you 3 to the positive 1, which is third. 1/3 to the negative 2 means 3 to the positive 2, or 9. Right, so here's what 1/3 to the negative 1 means. Take the reciprocal, raise it to the first is 3. So here's 0, 1, 1, 1/3, 2, 1/9, drops down like that. Negative 1, 3, negative 2, 9. So exponential functions where the base is less than 1, but bigger than 0, tend to look something like that. If the base is bigger than 1, they all tend to look something like that. Number 19, 4 to the x and 7 to the x. So here's a little mini table. 0 gives me 1, 1 gives me 4, negative 1 gives me 1 over 4. For 7 to the x, 0 still gives me 1, so they touch at 0, 1. 1 gives me 7, negative 1 gives me 1/7. So 4 is smaller than 7, but 1/4 is bigger than 1/7. So they switch rows, being the larger or the smaller, after 0, 1. So after 0, 1, the green one is f, 4 to the x is lower than 7 to the x, but on the left side, they reverse. The red is below the green, 1/4 is bigger than 1/7. 21, f of x is a to the x, 0, 1, 2, 9. Well, if I plug in 2, I'm supposed to get 9. So 9 is a squared. That means a is equal to 3. So f of x is just 3 to the x. 27, 2 to the x minus 3. 2 to the x looks something like this. Exponential functions tend to look like that, 0, 1. Minus 3 shoves the whole graph down 3 units. So 0, 1 becomes 0, negative 2. And the horizontal asymptote, which used to be the x-axis, which means y equals 0, becomes y equals negative 3. F of x equals negative 3 to the x. That's a reflection across the x-axis. So 3 to the x goes like that, which passes through 0, 1. Reflect across the x-axis, and negative 3 to the x looks like this, the mirror image going through 0, negative 1. 2 to the x minus 4 plus 1, that's a shift of 2 to the x, 4 units to the right and 1 up. So 0, 1, move 4 to the right and 1 up becomes 4, 2. So 2 to the x minus 4 plus 1 looks like that. And asymptote, which used to be the x-axis, horizontal asymptote, now moves up to become y equals 1. Right, so that's section 4.1.